This is my new to me Pre2k ANS System X autococker. Just picked it up off the BST for 80 bucks shipped. It came with a stripped grip screw that I had to get out there, and it came with some really dry caked on paint inside, but overall shooting great. Chronoed right now at about 298, and I just got it timed. That's the cycling test, and just finished timing it right now. So it is, as you can see, suction timed. The ANS 3-way isn't too bad. Not quite as short as a Bell Sales or a Shock Tech, but good enough. Shorter than STO. Came with a benchmark slider. It's already got a smooth trigger pull, and it's got an ANS trigger plate. Whoops. So ready to go. Thank you.